It's a drink.
Hey beautiful, welcome back to my channel. And in today's video I got my babe Rudee. You guys have seen him in previous videos. So today's video is going to be on the TokyoTreat unboxing. So the last unboxing we did was kind of crazy. So I'm so excited to see what's in this one. So, you ready?
Yeah.
Okay, so let's open it. This one looks pretty cool. So this one just says, welcome to TokyoTreat family. I'm excited. Babe's waking up because I woke him up from a nap. Ready? First one. This one. This one is
it has a drink.
We're not opening it. That looks cool.
It's like...
That's pretty cool. You have been wanting one. You've been wanting one, huh? Area. This one right here. It has these little ridges.
Wow, that's weird.
Oh, it smells so good.
That's super weird.
Baby, they're awesome.
It's super weird.
Mmm, those are good.
Yeah?
Mm-hmm. Those are way good.
It feels like I've tasted it before.
It kind of tastes like a Pringle.
Like a Chex Mix.
I taste Pringle. That's pretty good.
I like it.
Mm-hmm.
But like, this is weird. I feel so weird going like, you know, like right here. Like, I feel like it's gonna pop everywhere.
I wouldn't because it's already has this hole. Now you just made the hole bigger. That was really good. Okay, you pick the next one. Okay, what is it?
Oh, I don't know.
It does, my bad.
No translation.
See, it has the packaging like that. So let's open it on the side.
So, listen to it, please. It's one of those like ketchup things. Like, what kind of person are you?
Oh,
you know?
yeah.
You
Well, no, the ketchup, it has the exact same ridges, and you open the ketchup on the side. You don't open the ketchup like this.
Okay, that's not what I'm talking about. I'm talking about like the person that puts the ketchup on the fries or on the side. You know what I'm saying? Like, what person? Like, how do you? It tastes like that corn stick. What was it? That's what I thought you were talking about.
I think it's like the onion that's throwing me off.
Ooh, that looks like it's gonna be nasty.
Oh yeah, show them.
Oh,
This
like
is the
this
next
stick.
one. Oh yeah, you're right. It tastes so, just like that.
But
Show
this
them
one
the
has
stick.
the pizza one.
Oh my god. This is the first time you drop something. I'm always dropping things. It's a thing.
Huh?
Yeah. So this is the next one right here. Look at this. Has a fishy on there. So I think it's fish chips.
I feel, it just brings back memories from like that time we had the squid and stuff. Like,
Oh, yeah.
Like it's gonna be like, no, like.
Look at you, like a little fishy. Mira. Look at that. That's pretty cool. Ready? Let's see. Hey, it's pretty sweet.
Really?
It's like sweet potato. Kind of got you there with the packaging.
I don't like it.
It's just sweet. I was thinking like fish. That would have been way cool if it tasted like fish. And we're like,
I mean, it's not like, oh my god, this is gross. It's just not good.
We have a lot of goodies in here.
Yeah, this has a lot.
It's really cool, huh?
Yeah.
Okay, so the next one is this one right here. And this one is pizza flavor. Italian stuff. Because they get...
Oh, yeah.
Because Italians make
Oh,
pizza.
yeah.
Did you want
yeah.
I don't know what to say. Let me smell. Oh, it smells like a sausage. I mean, pepperoni. It smells like pepperoni. Smell.
I was not gonna bite it. I was like, do it.
Let me take a bite. Hold on.
That was like half the thing. Like, I thought you was trying it.
I was trying it. It doesn't taste good, right? You know what it reminds me of?
Garlic. It's garlic.
Oh, I'm so excited, babe. All the stuff in here looks so cool. Okay, let me see. We'll do this one. Cool. This one we're doing next. I don't know if I can focus, you guys. Please forgive me. This is a Pepliko. mini, and it's shaped like an ice cream.
The other one didn't have a name either, huh?
Look at it, you guys. Look at it. Look at it. Look at it.
That one like looks appetizing, like.
Just kidding. I couldn't even do it right. I was gonna take it all. I don't know how I cannot take it off. Can I take it off?
What?
Like I was gonna go like that. Like how can you not just like?
Yeah.
I can.
Oh yeah. Like just. I'm sure there's more. Like what do you mean?
No. Are you kidding?
I'm just out of control right now. I don't know what the
I think because you're barely waking up.
Confused.
You're like it's too early. It tastes like ice cream, huh?
It is good.
Yeah. It looks like there's gonna be chocolate in there, and I really want to try the chocolate.
I tasted it. It's way good.
Can you share?
It's cause like you know how like I told you like I remember the last one we were talking about wafers.
Oh yeah.
And it was like what was that one with like Nutella and then.
Oh yeah.
Brings back like you know like kind of like a wafery kind of like.
Papi, let me have some, please.
Wafers.
Okay, then I get the end.
Say that again.
No, then I get the end.
Say it.
I get the end.
So bad.
You're making me look like a.
What do you think's in the end? More?
All chocolate. That was really good. Aw, thank you.
That one, get that. I don't get it. Oh, you're gonna have to pick that up.
Look at this one. Do you guys remember last time we had, well, not in this one, but we had a green tea one, remember? Latte. So I'm thinking it's gonna be coffee.
Oh, what?
Mine is...
I mean, it looks like it works really well because it's like, oh, look, I opened the whole thing and like you can hold it. It's just cringy to me right now. I don't know why. I'm just like, why?
It tastes alright.
I like it.
I was expecting like coffee flavor, but it's like vanilla.
It's like a latte. Oh yeah, it's a latte. I like these little fellas. Sorry, babe.
Are you though?
It just looks really cool, you know. I just like pointing stuff.
Don't, babe, that's water. So we have the Mario. Look, you guys, it's Mario.
Oh,
that's pretty cool. Let's see.
It like looks dark.
Look at that. Oh yeah, like dark chocolate.
Yeah, is it dark chocolate?
It tastes just like that crunch candy,
It tastes better than that crunch one though. I love those.
Okay, you show them.
Here you. I like it when you show it, you know? You just, what's the matter? Like,
Thanks, baby.
you're a great shower.
Oh, I'm so sweet.
Just don't poke my eyes out, please.
Okay, so next is this right here. It has 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 different, I think, flavors. So we have a doggy, a kitty, a giraffe, a bunny, and an elephant.
You're just, you made the showing ability that you have is just amazing.
Shut up.
I could not show it that way.
Oh yeah?
Yeah. You capture my attention. You capture my attention, my devotion, you know, my heart. Like, it's just, it's good. Like, I'm just like, show me more. Another 6. You know? It leaves me wanting more, you know?
Shut up right now. It's
just good.
Stop. I hate when you do that.
I think it's like sweet tarts. It's like sweet tarts, but chalkier.
Chalky and kind of just like...
No good.
That's good.
I mean, for the kids, I'm gonna give these to the kids. Kids love sugar. Like, they don't care, you know? They're not bougie. They're not gonna be like, no, this is a little bit chalky, Dad. I can't believe you gave me chalky candy. They're just gonna be happy. They're gonna be like, it's candy. And there's little creatures on there, like little animals, like kitties, doggies, you know? Like, they're gonna be like, oh my God, Dad. This is so awesome, Dad.
So the next one we have is this right here. If you guys remember, we got one kind of similar to it.
Mom, I want to show you.
So you guys remember that we got something similar like this, but it was the Pikachu one? Well, this one, it's gonna be pretty fun. I think we should do it with the kids because you have to mix, you have to get water and all kinds of stuff like that. So I think we'll save that for the vlog channel, right?
If you want to see this, go to our other channel. Mother, like I wanted to see it, but I see what you're doing. You're gonna make me wait for the other video or the other. Oh, it was almost like a plug. Like it
was a plug. Follow our vlog channel, and you guys will see more of us.
Snapchat Rudeenumber1.
Oh. Next item is we might like this. It's the cream rusk. Look at that, it's a cute little bread. Look at that. That is so freaking cute. Look at that, you guys. It's a cute little bread. Yeah.
What is this?
Look, it's a cute little bread.
This little old man almost looks like the guy from Cinnamon Toast Crunch.
It tastes like old rusk bread.
What is rusk?
That's what's the name of the thing.
Really?
Yeah.
I wouldn't buy this. No. You know what it tastes like? You know what it tastes like? It tastes like that bread. We got some like Sara Lee bread once.
Yeah.
Know? Sara Lee's not paying me to say this, by the way. But yeah, it was frozen Sara Lee. It was like a little thing.
Like that? Stop staring at me.
You know what I'm talking about?
Yeah.
It was frozen. When she was pregnant, I used to get that bread a lot. I don't know why. She was just like, oh my god, it's so good. And it was at Walmart, frozen aisle section. Get it, and bake it.
Yeah, that was way good when I was pregnant. When you were gordo. Don't just try to put it on me. Are you serious? It was your favorite.
She's lying.
You're lying. I thought you were talking about something completely different, but now I know what you're talking about. The one in the pan?
Mm-hmm.
You're a liar. You got that for you.
This was like before 300. This was maybe at 250. She's lying.
Okay, so the next one is this one right here, and I think it's grapes. It looks like grapes. Does it look like grapes?
Yeah, I thought apples. I don't know why.
Really? It's grapes.
At first, you know, like from a distance. Like,
Ooh, that's not good.
yeah.
Do you smell it?
No, I feel awake now. You know what I mean?
I know.
Like, yeah. I have arrived. I'm here now.
Oh, look at the cute little balls.
Like I felt really like
Dibs. I don't care if you didn't even try it. Mm-hmm.
Dang. I guess it's good.
It's like high chews.
Good. Like it is just like high chews, but high chews is better. I mean, this has flavor, and like the flavor is like flavor. Yeah, good. What is it? Who knows? Is it grapes? Is it apples? Is it a grape apple? Is it? I don't know, but it's good.
Oh, so now we have another. Oh, these are squishy. These are the TBC AA-2G. I can't find anything.
Do they have resealable packaging?
Yeah.
It's amazing.
Oh,
Okay.
these are gummies.
I just want to say, you guys know what you're doing. Okay. A lot of things should have this. Like,
wait, why is
not?
that little guy like that?
Oh, because it's gonna f you up. That's how you know, like, it's gonna f you up. Like, it has THC in it. Just kidding. I'm just playing.
No, it's a TBC.
I was playing.
It tastes just like citrus.
Yeah, like if you're gonna taste citrus, tastes like it. Like,
Yep.
you bite a lemon right here.
Are you picking on me?
No. But I like the resealable packaging. Like, what is it? Like
This one has it too. Mira, look. Watch.
Oh yeah, I saw that. That's when I started noticing. You know what I mean? Because
That's awesome, babe.
I saw it on that one. And I was like, what? But I was like, you know. But then another one, I'm like, okay, so like they're using that a lot. Like, what the?
Yeah. That's pretty cool, huh?
She don't go.
I do.
If you ever get that, that's pretty cool, huh? They don't go. That's what that means.
I do.
Just so y'all know. If y'all ever talking about y'all's video games or something like that, and she's like, that's pretty cool, babe. It's code for. I don't care.
Don't listen. Okay, so the next thing, I'm not sure what it is, but it's in here.
Oh, elbow me, I swear to God.
Oh, look, we can give it to the babies. Look at.
They're bags inside of bags?
Yeah. We'll share one. We'll share one. We'll share one. We'll share. Let's see.
What are they?
I don't know. I think they're cookies.
This little bear's high out of his mind.
Look at the little pianos.
right here, when we show this, babe, you're gonna need to put on that song, you know, Panda. Ooh, no, we're gonna cut that out. Just kidding.
I know you're fully awake now because you were.
Flavors.
Yeah, it's like cookies and cream.
Well, I mean, it is a cookie and it is creamy. I had already expected you to eat everything. I already knew that was gonna. Slow motion that shit, cause you were like, oh shit! Oh shit! But yeah, that's what you look like.
Stupid. Okay, so last but not least is the Coca-Cola.
See, it's just incredible.
Thank you. That was so cool. Like the commercials. I mean, like the movie theater. How you hear the bubbles? Can you guys hear? Can you hear? Ooh, that tastes strong.
Damn, babe, I ain't had soda in like a year, alright?
I was gonna burp.
Don't ruin this one.
Sorry. It's good, huh?
I don't know. What is it
Guys,
supposed to taste like?
It tastes so good.
Yeah,
I can't wait to
we
make
should have put it in like the fridge, you know? Like,
well, we didn't know it was in there.
I know.
How would you do that? So I hope you guys enjoyed this unboxing of TokyoTreat. If you guys did, please give us a big thumbs up and subscribe if you haven't already to keep updated with our videos.
Where's this?
And make sure you guys check out Rudy's channel. I will leave it linked down below along with his Snapchat and Instagram. And check out our family vlogs as well.
I found some really fat pictures.
Oh yeah, he was so
oh my
cute
god.
and adorable.
I found some when I was first starting going to the gym and stuff, and where were my legs? Like, I had no leg. I was just like, oh man, it's funny. I'll post that one.
Yeah, you should. So you guys make sure to follow Rudy so you guys can check out that Instagram pic. It is really worth seeing. So we hope you guys enjoyed, and yeah, we'll see you guys in our next one. Ah, you got it. Okay, bye guys. That was good. High five. Ah, too slow.
What? Sorry.